Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Qualitative Research Hub. Thank you for joining me for another video on qualitative case study methods. Today we are going to talk about ethnographic case study methods. For new subscribers or viewers, I'm Dr. Qasir Afzal Qureshi and I have done PhD in International Marketing. During my study, I used qualitative research methods for data analysis. Case study as a research method. Case study, as several authors have pointed out, have different meanings for different people and in different disciplines. However, in business studies, as we all know, case study is the study of particularity and complexity of a single case. Coming to understand its activity within important circumstances. Stake 1995. These are the references which are given in the last slide. If you continue watching it, in the end of the video you will find references which are used during the slides. There is another definition for qualitative case study. A case study is an empirical inquiry that investigates a contemporary phenomenon within its real-life context, especially when the boundaries between the phenomenon and the context are not clearly evident. The ethnographic case study and the case study methods are quite intertwined, we can say, because it really supports, if you choose ethnographic case study methods for your research, the single case study, cross case study methods or multiple case study methods can be very suitable for ethnographic studies, because the context which we are using is quite similar in both kind of methods, or they support each other. For example, in case studies we are interviewing about the particularity and the complexity of a single case or maybe the multiple case, about the contemporary phenomenon in your real life context. Quite similarly, in ethnographic case study, what we do is it is the study about the human behavior and human interactions. And to have more focused study, the case study would be a kind of a more suitable choice for ethnographic case studies. Today in this video we are focusing on ethnographic case study method only. The origin of ethnographic case study. Ethnographic research is the study of a group of people who have shared behavior, beliefs, and the languages, and how they interact. Their interaction is developed over the time. It is a qualitative study that focuses on interactions and the cultural sharing of the groups. Or we can say ethnographic case study has its origin in an anthropological or sociological tradition. Now, the term anthropology is the scientific study of human behavior and societies in the past and the present. Now, it is further classified into social and in the cultural. We can say social anthropology studies pattern of the behavior in a society for the social interactions, and the cultural anthropology studies cultural meaning, including norms and the values. This kind of a study uses qualitative case study methods such as participant observation. Now, what do you mean by the participant observation? The participant observation method is used to gain close-up description of the context, and is concerned to understand the case in relation to a theory or the theories of the culture. The time scale used, it can be conducted in different time scales, in familiar or unfamiliar cultures, and increasingly uses a wider range of methods than it is in the classic ethnography. In traditional ethnographic case studies, the studies were conducted over the long period of time. Nowadays, on the contrary, Most of the studies for using the ethnographic case study methods uses a contemporary educational and a social research. The shorter the ethnographic studies are, known as micro-ethnographic studies. However, they are not necessarily case studies in the sense of a bounded system or instance in action, as described earlier. While sharing methods in the common with the classic ethnography such as participant observation and interviewing, ethnographic case study focuses on particular projects or program, though still aspiring to understand the case study in its social cultural context and with the concepts of culture in the mind. I have selected a research paper which is available online. If you put these captions and title in the Google search, you'll find this paper easily available. It is, I think, the PDF format file is available easily. You can download and you can read this article. It is authentic published article by Luca Massimiliano, Visconti. The research paper is about the ethnographic case study, abductive modeling of ethnography and improving the relevance in business marketing research. I really like this paper because this paper basically focuses on how the ethnographic case studies are developed over the period of time in business research context. The author, Luca Massimiliano Visconti, have used 12 Italian firms as a data source, and he studied that if we conduct the research from business or the marketing context point of view, what kind of developments are there in ethnographic case study. So this paper is worth reading. If you go to the Google Scholar website and search for this paper, you can easily find it. And if you want me to discuss over this research paper, you can inbox or comment on the paper, on the presentation, and I will try to go through this paper with you. By focusing on the ethnographic investigation of the business cases, the paper discusses the specificities of the data collection and the interpretation within organizational settings, while parallelly commenting how ethnographic may benefit the relevance of business research. This is extracted from a research article. That in this article they are focusing on what kind of investigations. It is about the business cases, and the paper discusses the specificities of data collection and interpretation using ethnographic case study method. These are the references which I have used during these slides presentation. Hope you have got a good idea about the ethnographic case study as a research method. Thanks for watching this video with me. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Do not forget to press the notification button to know when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and do not forget to press notification button because it's going to help you to know when my new videos are uploaded. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.